See you guys later. Hey, you told me you wanted to talk to me about something? Yeah, I thought so. What is it? You want to talk about it in private? Okay. What, are you going to confess to me or something? That's what I thought. Thank goodness. Okay, then where do you want to go? We could go to the art room or the club room. Oh, you want to go... Where is that again? Sorry. I have very bad memory, you know. Yeah, the stress is getting to my head and stuff. Oh, you want to go there? Sure. We can go to the, locker room. Are you sure that the team will be there, though? Yeah, I know. It is a good point. Thank you. We could go... You could just tell me in your car if you want. Or you could tell me on the way home. That's fine. You want to tell me on the way home? Alright, let's go. Hurry up, get in. Let me just start the car. There we go. Okay, so since we're, driving, don't try to distract me too much, but what did you want to tell me? Something you want to tell me for a very long time. Okay, you're making me think that you're going to confess to me. Damn, am I right? Okay, good. Whew. I did not want to have to turn you down. Okay. I won't be angry at whatever you have to say, but I'm really curious as to what it is now. Did you do some illegal acts? Oh my god, thank goodness. I'm supposed to be the one that's chaotic and doing illegal things, okay? Hey! Okay, so... what is it you needed to tell me? Sorry for interrupting you. That's just what I do. But what is it you needed to tell me? Something you've needed to tell me for a long time, and what? How would whatever you're gonna say affect our friendship? I can't think of anything. You know I'm very, very accepting, so... I wouldn't hate you for literally anything, as long as you don't kill my family. And I know you would never do that. You like girls, okay. They're pretty, I understand why. And you like boys, okay. Is that what you needed to tell me? It is? So, you're bi, is what you're saying then, right? Okay. Is that really what you needed to tell me? No, like, is that... I'm just trying to comprehend. That's what you had to actually tell me. That's what you made such a big deal about? No, I'm not trying to be rude or anything. No. The point I'm trying to make is I don't understand why you were scared. Oh my god, no. Why would I be mad at you? I wouldn't be mad at you. But am I the first person you've told? I am? Well, that does make me a little happy. Because, I'm pan, you're apparently bi, so we gotta stick out for each other. But it also makes me happy because it knows that we're actually friends. Yeah. Oh, on that note of you coming out to me, I kinda knew already. What do I mean? Well, I kinda see the way you look at at the new girl, you know, with your flirtatious eyes. And we both know how obsessed you are with you know who, so it was pretty obvious. No, I don't think your parents or your mother picked up on it. Not to be rude to her, but she's pretty naive. She doesn't really notice half of the things. Hell, she didn't even notice when I stole her lemonade pitcher. Yeah, that was me. But seriously, it doesn't matter to me if you're bi. I mean, it's not like it kills me, it's just who you're attracted to. What? Are you kidding me? You think I think it's weird? I'm attracted to every single person. Well, except, you know, family members. And weirdos. But I mean, like, gender-wise. Yeah. So, why would I think it's weird? Oh, fuck. I thought I took it off that way. Oh, I thought I fucking came off the, like, homophobic. Fuck. I didn't mean to. Oh my god. Ugh. I'm sorry. I just can't imagine me being like that. Oh my god. A heterosexual homophobe. Not that theres anything wrong with, you know, heterosexuals, it's just like a homophobic one. Ugh. I can't imagine myself like that. Yeah, like I have nothing wrong. You know, heteros. Homophobe. Ugh. No. Transphobe? No. Homophobe? No. Ugh. I can't even imagine myself saying a remark. I'm sorry that you felt like that. But yeah, I could care less if you're bi. I mean, it doesn't define you as a person. I don't think. Yeah, it doesn't define you as a person. It just is your attraction to someone. Shouldn't everyone get the right to, you know, be attracted to who they want to be attracted to? Yeah. That's the way I see it. Yeah. But I'm very happy that you came out to me as bi. Just to be clear, do you have any other pronouns that you want to go by? Just to make sure, because you know I'm openly am okay with any, so since you've outed as bi, maybe there's something else you're not telling me. But if not, then you want to go by those? Okay, that's fine. I mean, I have no problem with it. I'll still love you the same. You're still gonna be my bestie. So, as long as you're still kicking ass and fighting crime with me, or not crime, but, you know, our teachers and deadlines, I don't have a problem with it. Yeah. Now, let's go home. What do you want to play, You don't know? I have a good song. It's called Sweater Weather. I think you'll really like it. I quickly want to give a shout out to one of my mods. They go by Jake in my server. Just thank you for all the work you've been doing these past few weeks as mod. And also I'd just like to say welcome to the SMP. Bye. Also, I guess if you liked it, like and subscribe, I suppose. Bye.